to the garage. Today I am completely done with the motor as far as taking everything off of the old one, putting it on the new one. Today I'm putting on the clutch, the flywheel, putting on the transmission, and it will be going in the car hopefully this weekend. Hopefully this weekend it'll be off the engine hoist, the engine stand, and finally back in the engine bay. So yeah, I'm gonna finish putting on the transmission, hook it up to the engine hoist. We're gonna drop it in. Alright, so I just put on the flywheel and the clutch, the stage 5 competition clutch. If you've seen the previous video, you've seen how I took it off, so I just basically put it on in the reverse order. 76 foot-pounds torque for the flywheel bolts. I finished putting on the rear main seal because that was leaking. That had this whole inside part here full of oil, so I figured since I had everything off anyway, go ahead and replace the rear main seal. So that's replaced, and here's the transmission. It's a H23 SI transmission. I haven't done anything to it, changed the synchros or anything like that. It's bone stock. Also, I don't know if I showed it. You gotta go back and look in the other videos if I showed it, but my motor mounts, they were, the polyurethane was like breaking out of it or something. So I went to Lowe's and I bought this here. This is a polyurethane, like in a tube, and the part that the mount was missing, I filled it up with polyurethane, so I didn't have to buy a new mount. I did the transmission engine mount on this one. This side is good. I just put some on this side just for reassurance. Alright, as you see, got the transmission onto the motor. Technically you can do it by yourself. I just did it by myself. Put the motor onto 2 pieces of board to lift the side up a little bit. I just picked the transmission up and slid the shaft into the clutch. Now I just gotta bolt it down and we should be ready to drop it in the car.